So from this is my online netw channel. In this my channel, I'm continuing start a network related video. So this is a very important for understand about my previous video. Very important for you. What is a network? Watch about network course. What is a network history of computer? So I'm already told you. Okay, why use a network communication system? So this is a very important for understand about the network diagram. And what is a topology and type of topology. Okay, I'm all of give information about the topology related information, and after one by one I'm give session layer my last previous video because I'm continue OSI layer. And you can see here what is the session layer working and how this session is start. This is a very important for okay last previous video how this session work, and why call this session layer, what the work of a session layer, and why created PDU3. Okay, protocol data unit 3. So session even type of a very important understand a different type of a session created in browser applications and extra other type of communication of you can multiple type of working of a session system. So session layer is everything important for data transferring in watching and surfing in different type of code for reloading, restarting, continuing communication to network and internet connection. Okay, and I'm already told you transport layer. Okay, so watch previous video very important for this is the last my previous video transport layer related everything understand about what is a transport layer. So today I'm continue transport layer. This layer very important for in this reason create a second of connection oriented communication, this type of topic. Okay, only transport layer related everything. So you can see connection oriented communication, what is important and why this transport layer important. So let's start and understand about the transport layer. Hello friend, this is my online netw channel. In this module you can see here my this online netw channel, this type right and search here and you can visit here. This is my channel logo and so you can see this is my very lot of videos available for you and your basic computer knowledge, advanced courses, PayPal, Office and PayPal, Windows 10 settings, computer hardware courses, network courses, and very important for you operating system and computer hardware related. So you can see network courses, and I'm daily update this video for you and very free of cost, and basically you can very different type of syllabus you can control panel using in Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 8. So you can see all of playlist available in my this channel, and you can visit very helpful for your computer and computer knowledge for related. So you can see here this is a very important and different type of network and computer related courses, internet related courses, computer ethical hacking, Red Hat Linux, Windows 10 basic, Windows 8, how using Windows 7 basic, how to install operating system, everything available in my channel online at this basic channel. This channel very helpful for you and advanced you can learn about computer. Okay, and visit one by one my you can see here my videos available. So any question you can you can comment me, and you maybe like this, so this is very good for you, and click on subscribe and click on like button. So let's continue this video. You are understand about already what is the application layer, what is a presentation layer, third is a session layer, fourth is a transport layer, how work. So in this time, first understand how these one computer to another computer and one device to another device is any internet, any network, how data transmit, and how sending and receiving by OSI model transport layer. So before you transmitting whole start to send segment down model, this is a very important for understand about the segment, not directly any file, any folder, any video, any small to small of you are internet or network side, or you sending the same file. Only way segment through in the model sending and receiving type of data communication. Okay, the sender TCP process, transmission control protocol. Okay, that is a one type of a protocol, one to another side process sending and receiving contact the destination TCP process to establish a connection. So you are connect to another side of computer. So first establish one type of context, one type of a connection. So without a connection, without a contact, you cannot sending and receiving any file, folder, any communication, just like your mobile phone. So in your Android phone, in mobile phone, without a communication, not call, not sending any file, not watching video, not watching internet, anything. So it is a one type of a fast connection. Okay, so fast connection and after context TCP process. Okay, transmission control protocol. So destination means you can see I am give one type of example practically. You can see here how your computer one to another side communicate. I am showing in this time. You can see here this one computer to another computer. I am connect one to another side cable through. So this is my computer 1 and computer 2. First is sender, means data send, and the second is receive, means receiving data. Okay, and I'm connect to any type of wire, any type of RJ45 cable, fiber optical cable. Only one computer to another computer, not any type of device, not connect any internet. Okay, without internet. First understand about the simple of network, simple communication system, simple network. So how data transmit between two computers. Okay, so this is a very important for understand your connect. Okay, one to computer another. You start your computer on another computer start the setting completely set up. Okay, but when is important part how data send TCP means a transmission control protocol, and how these perform transport layer. Okay, this is a very important of a part TCP process and context systems. So one sender you are connect to one to another computer and communicate. So one type of TCP transmission control protocol try to one to another side computer sending in communicate. For first communicate connection, establish a connection. Second is one type of you can see synchronize first, and synchronize means one type of one computer one to sending one type of communication, one type of process contact the destination. That destination means computer number 2. Okay, so sending one type of by TCP protocol and receiving one type of synchronizing and give us an acknowledgement. Okay, So give acknowledgement means one type of yes, I communicate with you. Third process, acknowledgement showing. Okay, so that is first is completely computer 1 and computer 2 between these establish a connection. TCP process. This is a TCP process. Not this time you can sending any type of receiving data. First, this protocol TCP work this type, okay, and completely understand connection established. So that is the one type of sending and receiving and TCP process. That is the one type of destination to host. Okay, so this is of host and this is the destination. Okay, so sending one type of TCP communication, one type of code, and this and receiving and sending this again to sender this one. And third is again showing so the connection completely established means connection your complete, and you can send now your data, your any type of file, any type of folder, any type of data you are communicating, any type of email, anything. So this is a TCP model, transmission control protocol is a work this time. Okay, so this is working only for network type of communication. This is a layer, is a transport layer, is a very important of communication. So any type of you can connect any type of your mobile connect in your tower system, your computer connect one to another computer, one to computer connect to your switch, network switch, any type of devices. So first establish a connection. So this is a responsibility only for TCP process contact of TCP connection. Okay, so this model is a one type of synchronizing and acknowledgement means solving. So that is a one type of completely connection establishment, connection successful. That is a completely your ready for data transfer, data even sending and receiving. Okay, so it is a one type of very important sending and receiving TCP process and contact of establish your connection. And you can see here both side completely you can sending receiving both side sending receiving file of a folder, any type of video, any type of messages, any type of file, everything ready for this is communication through DCC process context. So first you are understand completely establish a connection. That is a one of part OSI model TCP process through. Okay, so data transfer between two of computer ready for use. So send by of segment. So now discuss the data transfer, how data transfer one to another. Just like I'm give example, you are created one type of very large of video. Okay, minimum 500 600 MB in your computer. So how you data transferring one to another side of sending receiving string. So you can see I'm add send bytes of segments. Okay, bytes of segment. Our computer only understand about the binary language, binary code, binary system. What is a binary code? Why you are using a binary code? I am already created a computer hardware video in CPU subject. Okay, so watch my channel in computer hardware playlist and find out the CPU related. Okay, so you can sending by of what is a binary core system. Okay, so this is understand about using TCP protocol establish a connection. Okay, while maintain quality of a service function. This is a always time of maintaining every time of checking service function. Okay, you completely connection established, but sometime your cable not losing cable, sometime cable losing, sometime your computer shut down, sometime your computer connection some damage, any type of problem, any type of a service problem. So these service, TCP protocol service, other computer showing not a connection, not uh, internet available, not not you are offline. This type of message, how this possible? Because acknowledgement is one type of showing of your computer. Okay, so this service completely starts. That is means continuous start. That means your connection is completely okay. So you are data in types 1 GB, 2 GB, 1 terabyte, 2 terabyte, any type of data you are sent to another type of computer. Okay, so you are sending the data by network through. So how these data transferring? So I'm just showing you. This means that the transport layer can keep track of the segment and retransmit those that fail delivery. I will show you because transport layer is a can keep track means one type of a segment rule, one type of a one you are using a 10 MB file, okay, 10 MB file. So different type of cut in one type of part, one type of create a part transport layer, okay, one type of segment I will discuss in some time. So that is called of package, okay, 10 type of in one you file 10 type of package segment and then retransmit, okay. Maybe your some file you fail, sometime your segment file fail. So in transport layer, one type of created protocol, any time of any type of data you transfer. So again to one type of acknowledgement showing data losing and recover for uh, uh, data. So retransmit again to fail delivery. Okay, I will show you in this time. The transport layer also provides the acknowledgement. Acknowledgement why? Because verify for your data, verify for your all of data completely one to another side, completely pass, completely transfer of successful data transmission and send the data next data if no errors occur. Okay. So maybe in your computer, no the error. Sometimes you can see in your one to another Android device is sending file, sending receiving file, just like WhatsApp, Twitter, Gmail account through. So sometime between your network internet connection down either offline. So how you recover, how your recover data, how you recover file in folder, any type of data. This is a provide services acknowledgement by transport layer. Without transport layer, you cannot completely successful data transmission. Okay, so that is a one type of I'm showing you. Two type of a computer available in okay, and computer one and computer two. One is a computer one is sender and computer two send the receiver. Okay, it's receive data and I'm connect to one to another computer by cable through. Okay, by cable through means cat 5, cat 6, any type of emergency, not any type of. So how fast connection established I'm already told you just now. Okay, so completely connection you're complete. So starting now sending your file folder ready to receiving and any type of data both side of a computer. Okay, so data transfer how this process. So first is I'm already told you send bytes of segment all of a computer data, Android data, your any type of applications data, any type of your computer data, all of data is a binary code. Android mobile is a binary code through working. Okay, your computer is a binary through. So one you can see TCP data means transmission control protocol data and sending one type of file, sending again file, sending again file. So that is a one type of part is transmit of data, any type of file transmit. Just I'm give example one 100 MB, 100 megabyte data. sending to one computer 1 to computer 2. It just 1 second transmit, 1 second in 1 second on to another side going. But how this possible, this fast of very fast of sending and receiving? So in a very important to understand about how data transmitting very fast, because acknowledgement successful data transmission and protocols with transmission of a power line, powerful of delivery, powerful of sending a file, receiving file. But how this is possible uh, is in a micro type of showing how to data transfer. So buffer memory pool. How this buffer memory pool? Just like give example. You are sending high level type of means very large file. Just like I give example 10 GB data, 1 GB data to 10 GB. Okay, I give example. So continuously you send data continuously. So sometimes your buffer showing stop not receiving. Why? Because these protocol OSL layer already in here in same any side any you are using a operating system. OSI layer must enter. Without OSI layer, without the protocol layer, you cannot connect the one to another side computer. Okay, so this is a very important to understand about. So you can see computer 1 and computer 2. You can see these computers sending continuously file in folder and any type of data, sending. So buffer memory is full. Why this buffer? What is a buffer? So buffer is a one type of control of receiving data. Okay, this is a receiving data. Transport layer working here, transport layer working here, but same side transport layer working. But this is sender and this is a receiver. That means these data completely overflow. Means lot of data sending continuously. So this is a computer very busy for receiving. So this is a buffer memory is showing up message stop. Okay, this is a not really. Okay, not really because first you transmit other type of data completely receiving, and after really so automatically give segment process. Okay, segment process, because this is all of data going to segment means part wise. Okay, 1 MB, 2 MB, 3 MB, any type of data size, any type of 500 MB, 5 GB, any type of 5 terabyte you are transferring one to another side a computer. But main important is a part transport layer data not directly in 1 second. You can see here because all of data working by depend on your size. Okay, and that is a create a segment automatically transport layer. Okay, so this is a very important understand about the data transfer. Okay, just like give example YouTube. Okay, your important of data, your computer important of data, your other type of systems, other type of receiving networking related everything. So this is so that is buffer memory is one type of function of protocol, because transmission continually you send to another side computer, and the second type of receiver computer is one type of you stop, and first all of transmission complete, and after segment proceed, and after completely ready to again do, and one type of give one signal, one type of acknowledgement go. So again you can transfer your data. That is one type of a transport system. So buffer is one type of services. Your computer continuously you receive data. So sometime your computer hang and maybe not completely segment. Re connect means uh, congestion in the segment type of error occurs sometimes. So this reason buffer technology is buffer is one type of function of transport layer. Okay, that is one type of buffering is segment completely proceed to recover to one completely original file to same and completely transferring and again to give next data you can send. So this is type of showing of again to send to next data. Okay, so that is the one type of a buffer memory, almost sometime very heavy and continuously you transmit to one to another side your computer, but receiving some capacity and receiving files from data uh, limitation of transferring of rate. So not you can all of the data directly transmit at one time, because the segment is a lot of depend on how many size your data. So just like in this example, uh, 1 GB data, uh, 5 GB data you transmit one to another computer. So not you can directly transfer in 1 second, because why? Because this is a very important of a transport layer provide to acknowledgement with data transmitting and sending next data. So that is a one type of a transmit and retransmit of one type of segments, and other type of a segment proceed. So that is a one type you old first you four type of segment sending continuously, and sometime buffer will to stop, and these uh, not sending, and again completely segment complete proceed. So again give one type of message, so again to next data sending to receiving computers. So again to sending data, that is the one type of a transport layer system. Okay, you can see here. So that is a completely transmit, and all of a segment continuously, and same all of data you can see uh, regenerating means re segment and completely originally all to one type of continue one to another side. So any 1 KB data, 1 GB data, 1 TB data, any type of data, any type of size of data completely you transferring depend on your how your computer one to another side you transferring, and different type of you can see segment in transferring and delivery and failover system, sometime transporting in provide to acknowledgement successful, sometime data error. So this reason create one type of buffer technology buffer function in transport layer protocol. So this is one type of transport layer is one you can see here, this is segment proceed. Okay, so that is one type of a completely transferring one to another side, this type of a transferring data to one to computer another computer, and same as it is a computer to switch to other switch and transferring data, server data transfer to other internet connection, trans, trans, transferring all of data is one type of segment too. So without transport layer you cannot transferring data one to another side the internet, all of a working transport layer segment side type of technology. Segment proceed is very important for transport layer, and any type of you android to file sharing, android to computer file sharing, sending and receiving file, any type of devices. So that is a transport layer working this type only. Okay, transmission and transmission with different type of a file. So first you select in one computer five file, and every file 1 GB. Okay, so first file completely going to and completely receive one file, so second file automatically not directly, second is this computer give a signal go, so second computer each second file this computer sending, and after third file second file completes, so again sending this signal, and third file continue sending. So that is a one by one sending and receiving file. So that is a one type of transport layer. Okay, so this is a one type of using the transporting system transport transmission of data one to another computer, computer to switch to router, server to other type of system. Every computer you are any computer any devices sending file transferring file, this is a one type of segment in one type of transmission data system. So next time I will show you what is a segment in transport layer and how is a segment create a transport layer. This is a very important for you, and this is a topic very important for because you are to understand transport layer. So how 1 KB data, 5 MB data, 10 MB data, 1 GB data, any type of data size, but how these create a segment by transport layer protocol, transport layer. This is very important for next video. So next time I will continue on this topic. So thank you. Have next time I will continue on this topic. Okay. So subscribe and click on bell icon. Any type of doubt. So any type of you want call question. So comment me. Okay. So thank you. Have a nice day. And you can share my video in your friends and other type of for my motivation. So thank you.